guys, look what's happened. All of our food and everything for both these fridges got all mixed together. And our Paw Patrol just fell in, deciding to help. So let's get all of our Paw Patrol out of this mess. See if we can find them all. There. Now let's see if we can clean this mess up. Let's start with our Pororo fridge here. So Pororo gets all of the little items. Ooh, like this ice tray. We gotta fill up all this ice tray with all of the ice. I don't see another ice cube. We're just gonna have to keep that many right now. So let's put that on the top shelf so it can freeze. And let's get all of these small juices. Like, look, here's a fun little strawberry juice. Let's put that on the top shelf. We got a pineapple juice, top shelf. We also have some orange juice. Look, now the top shelf is full of juice. The top shelf is totally full of juice. So let's keep adding things like, Oh, I found our other ice cube. So let's put it in the ice tray. And, oh look, I found some more juice. Let's put that on the second shelf. And let's see. Oop, I found some lettuce. That's some healthy lettuce. And here's some fish. Oop, probably shouldn't put on the same shelf as lettuce. And here's some steak. Let's put that on a different shelf. I found a couple eggs. Let's put some eggs right here on the bottom shelf. And let's see, what else do we have? We have this yummy cake we need to put together. And let's see, here's some kiwi. And look, here's some oranges. A strawberry. Oh, this strawberry goes right there. And here's this strawberry. The hair, look, there's our cute little cake. Let's put a cute big cake down in there. And then it looks like we also have some Whoppers. Let's put some Whoppers in there. And ooh, we also have some ice cream. Ooh, we gotta put our ice cream down here in the freezer. And we also have some, I think this is, I don't know, that can be whatever you want. Let's put it right there. Here's some more. That looks like something with strawberries in it. And look, here's some cookies. And we got some milk here. Let's see if we can, oh there, milk fit right there, perfect. And here's some lemonade. Let's see if we can fit it right in there. Ooh, here's some ketchup. Put it with the cookies. And I think everything else should go in the other fridge. So let's close that fridge up. And let's open up our next fridge. This one comes with a cup. Put right there. And this one makes noises too. Like, look, here we got some corn. There's our corn. So let's put our corn down there in that drawer for vegetables. And ooh, what happens when we put our strawberry in there? Ooh. So put our strawberry right there. We have some tomato juice we can put in our door. Ooh, here's some pineapple. It's a can. Put right there. What else do we have? We have a cake. Let's put our cake on here. Cake. There we go. Let's put our cake down here. That's a good place for cake. Ooh, we also have some fresh salmon. Let's put that there with all of the meats. Look. There's another fish. Gonna put right in there. And ooh, look, we got ice cream. So let's put that right there. And this is our last one. It's fresh milk. So let's put our milk down right there. And then our last thing is some blueberry something right here. It's very good. Let's put that on top like that. And then we have some Hershey's milk chocolate. Let's see if we can put that in the door right there. Nice. Let's close it up. And let's see, there's both of our fridges. Good job, Paw Patrol, helping us clean all of these fridges up. There's all of our Paw Patrol. All right, you guys, that was so fun playing with all of this food in our fridges and all of our Paw Patrol. Say bye to all of our Paw Patrol. And now, let's see what's going to happen next. Woo! Hurry, guys, hide! Who's that? Look who I found! Bridget, look! Hurry, guys, come on! Woohoo! Hurry, guys, hide! Oh, hi, Vampirina, I'm here. Oh, hi, Bridget, what are you doing here? Well, you called me. You said you needed some help with something? You're right, I do. I started playing hide and seek with the puppy dog pals, and I just can't find them. I need some help. Okay, I can help you. First, can you show me around your tree house? Yes, let me show you everything. Look, let's start with the swing right here. Woohoo! Oh, so watch this. Did you see that? It was so fun. Watch, follow me. Up here, Bridget. How do you get up there? How? I can't jump that high. Here, let me help you. Grab my hand. Woo! I got you. See, Bridget, look at this door on the ground. You stand in the doorway on the ground and then you pull this little button down here and you... Woo-hoo! You fall down. Hurry, Bridget, come back up. I'm climbing up the slide. Here I come. Ugh. Oh my goodness, look. Look, Vampirina, look who I found. Oh my goodness. It's Hissy from the Puppy Dog Pals. We found you. I guess you did find me. Good job. I was just laying out in the sun. Meow. I'm just gonna go lay out in the sun somewhere else now. Good job, Bridget. Now let's keep looking around and showing you around. This is our fun little patio that goes outside of the tree house. Hurry, look. Let's go down. Let's go down our little door. There you go. You made it that time, Vampirina.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Swinging in the swing. All right, Bridget, it's your turn to go down. Bridget, here we go. Woo! There you go. You made it. I think I just want to go down the slide next time. Okay, let's just do that real quick. Okay. Sitting position. Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! All right, your turn, Vampirina. Woo! Good job, you guys. You made it down the slide. Oh, look who I see. Look, it's Poppy. Poppy, what are you playing on? This is the funnest little spinny thing you've ever seen. Look, sit on it with me. Here we go. Whoa! Hold on. Whoa! Oh, Vampirina fell off. Whoa! Woohoo! Woo! Oh no, Poppy fell off. Bridget, you win. You're the last one on it. Woohoo! Wow, that was hard to hold on to, Bridget. Who's that? Look who I found. Bridget, look. Oh my goodness, we found you, Bingo. I had the best hiding place. You took so long to find me. We still haven't found Rolly, Bingo. No way. Where's Rolly? Whoa! Look how cool my collar is. Well, I'm gonna sit on this spinny thing. It's so fun in here. Okay, where else can we look, Vampirina? We can go up on the very tip top. Here, let me help fly you. Wrap around my arm. All right, here we go. Woohoo! We made it! Woo! Look who we found up at the very tip top. We found Rolly. Woo! With his cool light-up collar. We found you, Rolly. Good job, you guys. That was fun playing hide and seek. Look, watch this. Woo! Whoa! Your turn, Bridget. Woo! And last is Vampirina. But first, say bye to everyone, Vampirina. Bye, everyone. Thanks for helping me find the puppy dog pals. Bye.
Time to watch more videos.